Hi guys, it's YTShark222, and today we are going to be doing something a little bit different. It's called, what, Owen?
Floating sandbox.
Yes, floating sandbox. And right now I'm going to sink this. So yeah, let's do slice. Now let's slice it. Now let's see if it's gonna sink.
Let's see if the light goes.
Nice.
It's sadly not really racing. Oh.
There.
They might start the video.
Alright, now it's flooding. So let's
My
see.
cruise ship is sinking in hell. Oh no. I'm gonna share my screen.
So right now, guys, I'm cutting this ship in half. Did you accidentally left the meeting?
What?
Did you accidentally hit the leave button?
When I accidentally left?
Yeah?
Yeah. I was confused on what button to click for showing my screen. Oh god, I have a huge
There goes the ship.
now.
Oh no.
What's the Holland American line? I don't think that's the name of the ship, but
Oh no.